Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see from the title, I want to explain about minimal pairs. Consonant sounds in minimal pairs. Minimal pairs consists of two words with sounds that are very similar but have different meanings. So today I'm going to explain about consonant sounds. Consonant sounds in minimal pairs has two types: final consonant sounds and initial consonant sounds. Okay, now let's move to the examples. Alive, arrive. Very, berry. Sink and think. Legend, legend. Okay, that is examples for consonant sounds, general consonant sounds. So let's move to the examples for initial consonant sounds in minimal pairs. Fat, hat. Might, night. Came, game. Vow, woe. Sure, shore. Okay, the last examples for final consonant sounds. Thin, thing. Hat, hat. Page, page. Carp, carp. Okay guys, thank you so much for today. That is the consonant sounds with minimal pairs. I'm really sorry if there are any mistaken on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.